which would cause the doors and windows to be out of square, the roof to be out of square, the panels not to fit together properly. So if you was laying a concrete base, you would have to dig out the area where you was going to concrete. So dig out the grassed areas. So if you put it on grass, you dig out the turf, make sure, so if you're going to put 4 to 6 inches of concrete down and you want it level with the grass, so obviously you've got to dig down more than 6 inch or 4 inch depending on the depth of concrete. And then you should be putting some hardcore under that as well to give it a stable base to put the concrete on. So you dig down, you then shutter it off so the concrete doesn't just leak everywhere. You then put hardcore down to make it all nice and flat underneath for the concrete to sit on and give it a bit of drainage, and then put the concrete on top. Once you've concreted on that, once you've laid all the concrete down, it's a case of smoothing it off to make sure it's all flat and level. So if you just put the concrete down, it was all undulating, then the shed wouldn't sit flat on the base, which would cause the doors and windows to be out of square, the roof to be out of square, the panels not to fit together properly.